Hello, my name is Peter, and in this Amherst alarm video tutorial, we will be showing you how to bypass a zone or multiple zones on your DMP system. Bypassing is used for when there is a zone or multiple zones in fault, and you are looking to arm your system with these zones still in fault. To do this on a DMP system, you are going to simply hit the Command key twice, select yes using your select key, type in your 4-digit code, and then hit the Command button again, and continue to hit Command until the bypass option comes up. From there, you will use your select key again, type in the 2-digit zone number you would like to bypass, and then hit the far right select key. And then from there, your zone is now bypassed. Now, when bypassing a zone, this will only last one arming period. So that means that when you go and disarm your system the next time, that bypass will no longer be there. If you have any further questions regarding bypassing, give us a call over here at 716-632-4600.